Another game of doors.
Guys, listen to this.
Open sesame.
Nice. I like this game.
As we get like a lot of coins, let's just raid every single guy.
Also, yeah, I'm here with Storm. I can't even get this money, bro. There we go. Yeah. And if you're wondering why I didn't start from the thingy,
I got a key.
I won't. And that's because I didn't know the noise was going to be like this. So I just quickly did do this. Yeah. So yeah.
Ready?
Yeah. Hold on. I've got 360 coins.
What are you gonna buy with them?
Crucifix.
I'm opening the door.
Getting it?
Nope.
One step closer to victory.
How much coins do you have?
188.
You like my door impression?
Nope. Sorry. Oh, I mine. Yeah. I'm not sure if you heard my brother's
Oh no, I'm dead.
Ladies first.
Oh, okay.
Wait, Oliver, did you get my thingy?
What?
Did you get my lockpicks?
Denial.
Yeah, go get them.
If I get rushed or ambushed, I'm gonna blame you.
No, you won't. Look at my body.
Papa's got a brand new bag.
What the hell?
What?
Are you ready?
You're gonna die, bro.
I didn't hear it.
Need to hear a psst. Hmm.
I'm like one shot.
Wait, what number is this? Okay.
I laughed.
You did. I hope Elsplash keeps the
New
noise
door
in the
time.
doors.
Literally, you door time.
Hope Elsplash keeps these sounds or whatever on the
This
doors.
game mode needs to
Yeah, I like this version. Also, it's been updated. There's a retro one which is hard. You just went round in circles.
It's almost as though I've got school fees, not.
If you don't find a key in one of, just come on in one of these, then just get a, or just use.
Owie.
Okay. Right, play again. Just skip that.
Wait, we technically don't need to keep buying it. If
Pause it.
Right, exactly. What did you just about?
Nothing.
No locks can stop me.
Wait, I want to see what I got.
Guys, I found the key.
Let's see if I 90 videos.
Follow me.
Alright.
Guys, if the door says if you only like follow me, then we have to follow the other open the door.
Nah.
Another room down.
Indeed. Indeed, brother.
Any creatures in here?
No.
Yes.
Anybody in here?
No, I'm gonna die. No. Oh no! Yow! So dark. Yeah, my buddy just through there. No. Oh, my buddy's twisted up.
Guys, this is so necessary. Oh, where are you going? Where did I?
Because of Rushy. Rush.
It's on the wish list. 42 points.
42.
Hello.
You know, gonna alert.
Oh, I don't
Oh boy,
know.
another door.
I've no idea what the
He's
backstory
gonna,
of
you know,
this.
alert rush behind his hotel.
Opening the door.
Hello, hello.
Open for business.
Open forward.
Papa's opening a brand new door.
Bro went really fast.
You could say.
Yep. Just a bit of darkness, nothing else. Why is bro walking so slow? On my screen you're walking very slow.
I am. Why am I walking slow?
I don't know.
There we go.
There you go.
Door noise.
Door noise.
I'm going to turn on the door.
Follow me.
13.
Say it in your head though.
Mhm.
Why did you hear that before?
I don't know.
I know.
Doors all around me.
Yep.
Oh, there's a kid.
What?
Anybody help?
Opening the door.
I lied. I can't see anything.
Beer. Dead end.
Can't I just like reach my arm over there and just, you know, grab it?
Not long enough.
I'm really cool, I can fit through it.
Wait, if lights on, aren't lights supposed to be always on?
Yeah, it says more rooms have lights turned on. But
Oh.
the ones that don't are like dark.
Makes sense. Ish.
So this probably wouldn't have its lights on. Yeah. The lights are brighter. But some rooms will be a lot more.
Go back. I think it's 19. Hi, Rush. Bye, Rush.
You can say,
Yep. You'll be coming in to seek soon.
oh, she's got.
Go back. Wait, 1920. This should be 21. I think is gone. So 21.
I got really confused because I didn't know TV.
22. I'll just skip until he gets to the door. Yeah. Alright, it's not working for me now, for some reason. Probably because I'm dead, I don't know.
Ouch.
What did you say? I'm home.
I don't know. And your character said, ouch, because of the eyes.
I mean, I know I'm really famous now. Yep. I think I was in it, like, I thought, wouldn't it be really cool if I took it and died? Oh, I'm gonna get a key.
Key.
I think you can try.
Oh man, got the key. Now I can unlock the door.
You didn't even make it to the door.
Die to screech.
And it's not really anything. Yeah. I need, yeah. Oh, wait, a door opening time that was?
Yep, it was.
Where did it go?
Right.
Right. I was just waiting for it. I'm safe.
Yup.
Nothing's back.
No, that's ambush. Only ambush can do that.
Oh wait, yeah. I
Comes
don't.
back and forth.
Wolfie's the doors node here. I barely play doors. He's just
That happens to me.
no.
Yeah. You'll be going to get seek soon.
Get some like 6 doors back.
There's some behind you, I think. I'm not sure.
What the fuck? There's no other room.
Yeah, behind. I saw it behind. Go back and go down the side of the bed.
Guess who just got a key?
Me. I got the key.
Last one through the doors, alright.
Oh, God. I like how it cut off the sentence because I was letting him know.
No.
That'd be really cool.
Yeah.
Oh, it was wall there. Spin me right now. Door! Spin me right now, baby. Stop knocking on the door! Wait. You go see the 2 locks on the left. The door over there.
Key's over there. You walk past
There's
it.
a lock on this one. Well, and there's a lock on that one.
Oh, I don't see what door we was on.
I got a key.
Oh well. Time to meet your doom.
Ouch!
Wait, why did Doob look red?
I survived. Why do I trot like that?
I have no idea. Follow me. So Ross says something. I'm not sure about Amber. I actually do. I hope Seek says something.
It's this way.
Well, here we go.
Do I have to?
Yep.
You ready, boys? Do this. There's no loot this one.
My Sugoi power!
Well, he does say something.
Get back here!
Come back here.
You're mine!
Get lost!
Bro is his. What the? Ooh, bro just got disintegrated.
I didn't get real,
That's it! Nobody messes with me! No! Come on!
What?
You were the one who ate me whole. What are you chatting at? Bruh. I've got 8 sticks. What should I get right?
It's up to you. 88 and I'm saving up. Meow meow meow. Well, I'm going to skip to Seek again.
I got like
If we make it. Well, my brother died. And we're only got to door 19.
Knock knock, anybody in here?
I guess I'll just skip back again. Down, 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 down.
Should I make one so it's almost impossible?
Yeah. I thought this was going to be Seek, but I guess not. Around about,
Hello?
it was around about 30, I don't know.
Open sesame.
I'll skip back to... Oh, I just saw a red eye then.
Come on, everybody.
Where are you?
We're gonna do. Next round, I think we're gonna do.
Right, I think this might be the actual seek now. I've no idea. I keep forgetting. You're not. But anyway, yeah. This should be seek.
Fear me!
Yup.
My Sugoi power!
You're going down unless I die to you, which I don't want to.
Get back here!
No.
Get back here!
Here. Let me in here.
Indeed, let me in here.
Oh boy, another door. Follow me.
That's it. Nobody messes with me.
In it, so I just escaped. In your face.
No!
Haha.
Come back! You are not, son!
No.
Knock knock, who's there?
I don't know. Who is there?
Open sesame.
Indeed. 300 coins.
Eek.
No, you're not coming through. Wait, I wonder what if Hive. I wonder if Hive's gonna say something. So I'm just gonna stay out in here. Get out. Nope. Nope, Hive doesn't say anything. Okay then. Okay, you can go away now. So that's good to know. Seriously? No, it's too late. Damn it. I just have to chance it.
The door didn't open.
Okay, thank God.
So I wouldn't push it. That was me. It didn't open it. I won't push it.
Oh my God. I almost died. Look at my health.
I've got to go. I live in.
Look at my health. Look at my health. Oh my God, I'm almost dead. I'm almost dead. Mom, open. Alright, let's see if you say something. Well, I don't have enough for a crucifix. If I survive, that is. Here we go. Did you say something? No. He doesn't say anything.
I got you all figured out.
Shh. What is this noise, bro? Does it say for all of the books?
That book is mine. That book is mine.
Go away, please. Go away. Right. Come on, come on. Wait, no, I better do it in chat. In here. Diamond is 7. Also, do you like my new wallpaper? 7. 7, 4, 6, 7, 4, 6, 7, 4, 6, 7, 4, 7, 4, 6, 9, 7, 9, 7. 9, 7. Nope. I just got to guess it because I don't have it here. Where did I? I did it wrong. Right, 7, 8, 4, 9. 7, 8, 4, 9 question. 7, 8, 4, 9. No. 7, 4, 8, 9. 7. Four, 8. Don't have circle. 9. I'm stuck for 7. 7, 4, 8, 9.
I'll get you next time.
Finally! God!
Look, Bob! Visitors!
You're not talking. Come on, Bob. Talk. Come on, Bobby.
Nothing happens?
It's sad. You're not. Why not speaking, little dude? Buddy? Oh, you're so cute. No, oh, I didn't say anything now. Hi. Yeah. 500, no. 200, already got that. And
Item kit.
bye. Goodbye, little fellas. Bye bye. How did I survive? I don't know, but that's good.
I'm gonna rush!
No, you're not. Thank you for opening the door. Appreciate it. I didn't hear a psst. No. Oh well. Oh well.
Yo,
Yeah, I'm outside, guys.
hey yo, let's go over there. Hey yo. Hey yo, we're outside.
Yeah, I'm outside. Look at that.
Whoa, come over.
Look up there, guys.
Hey yo.
Look up there. It's the smiling face.
Hey yo.
Smiling face.
This is a random door.
Wait, what? Wait, don't get in it. I'm coming.
What's that? Let me make my things.
Wait, requires detour. Wait, how did you get a detour?
No, I'm gonna make one.
I can't even get in it.
Join it, join it.
I can't even get detour.
I don't know how I got it, but I have it.
I don't know.
I'm just cool.
Are we doing wet floors?
What floors and then like 2 of them?
Well, that's something you don't really see every day.
What?
Going outside of the thingy.
What? I got my internet disconnected.
Oh. Well, I guess I'll be doing the wet floors on myself then.
Which you will. I shall be watching. Guys, after this, we're going to be playing a game of Roblox with smooth slicing. We might not upload it though.
More stuff and check this list.
Are we going to upload smooth slicing?
I'm so. Oh, never mind. I'm not so. Just wet floor.
Are
Wee.
we going to upload smooth slicing? Or is that a maybe?
What?
So are we going to upload smooth slicing? Or is that just a maybe?
What?
There's a smooth slicing game that we're going to try out. Are you going to upload it?
I got a key.
Slides. Right, sprint and
Come on,
then
everybody.
just let go of the sprint button. Yeah, let go. That's kind of cool.
Kinda.
I'm coming in.
Ew.
When you die, we're going to go on that smooth slicing then, yeah?
Yeah.
So are you going to record?
No.
I hope there's nothing. Hey, these hinges are a little rusty.
Thanks for that.
I'm opening the door.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
I am not opening any doors.
Yeah, I don't mind.
Ow.
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 Don't turn it down. Just pause it. Turn it back up.
Recording. Closing this. You opened that like 2 times.
I know. Where's the key? Give me the key.
Where are the key at?
Where's the key at?
Wait, you know when you buy stuff, does it cost doorknobs or coins?
Doorknobs.
You could find a couple of things.
No, coins. I meant. Nothing in there. God, this is really slippery. No. Thanks, guiding light. Appreciate it.
Yeah, I got the key.
How did I? No, no man.
Got a brand new item.
Indeed, I do. Door 13. I think I can survive like this, right? Yeah, I survived. In plain sight.
Did you eat yourself?
Nope. I survived in plain sight.
What do you mean?
I didn't get in any closets.
What attacked you?
Nothing. I survived in plain sight.
So what attacked you for you to survive?
Nothing.
So confused. Why do you have a
Nothing attacked me. I survived by hiding behind a closet.
Oh. Why do you have a candle that keeps going off? It's in the...
Got a new item. Oh, I got a key.
And a plaster. Nice. Almost
Guys.
got full health. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom.
Wait, should we try to stop this video on exactly half an hour?
Nope, that's not correct. Neither is that. Why am I so bad at this? I don't know why. I could have just got the other. Oh well.
What a waste of time that was.
Isn't it?
Not even the
Oh
right
my
one.
god. I had it on the correct one. Oh, I didn't. I'm gonna end the video once I die.
Bright light.
Indeed it is.
Why were the lights on?
Better get ready!
What was that? Wait, you can do that?
Yup. Yeah boys, this is one way.
How do you know that?
I'm not done yet!
Only just test it. Watch playing the
No.
game.
I knew a long time ago. So bright.
Does that mean that you can just slowly peek out and just see what's
I'm
coming?
coming back!
Wait, do you have to be crouched?
I think so, I don't know.
Watch it move.
No.
Make it double!
Behind it. Quickly stand.
I'm done!
Thank God. Yeah, that was easy peasy lemon squishy.
Bro's all white sauced up.
I just found the key.
I found a geeky.
I just found a key.
Now this is gonna be a trouble. Seek with plus wet floor, plus sliding around.
I never thought of that. Wait, is it like noticeably slippery?
Yeah.
Brr. Wait, just try to turn the opposite way. Or just spin around. Change your camera, spin around real quick. Oh,
Please, let's have a truce, shall we? Let's have a truce. Yeah? That sound good?
He's slipping.
Get back here!
Yep, this is gonna be a troublesome.
Oh no, I'm dead.
Oh no, I'm dead. Well, that's it, I guess. Oh, there goes Seek.
That's it! Nobody messes with me! No!
What is bro? Bro's
Not
hacking.
done!
Seek is hacking, bro.
Somebody got bought. Somebody got bought.
Bro was seeking. Bro was hacking.
Someone
Anyway,
got bought of losing.
that's gonna be it. Thanks for watching, and yeah, bye. Have fun.